na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Words cannot express what I feel inside. Maybe I should use a sticker tonight. A sticker? Oh, there are thousands of them. I just reach out and ask all of my friends.
So many things that I wanna say. All mine, that's a better way. Free product messages, thousands of stickers.
Sa kanila.
Yan, so good afternoon po sa ating bawat isa. So yung napanood niyo po kanina ay konting patikim lamang po ng Newsweek niya. Konting commercial line lang po yan. So sit back and relax dahil marami po talaga kami inihanda mga kapanapanabik na palabasan. I hope mahamon po tayo bawat isa sa atin. So yung mga tao po dyan talagang staying put lang po kayo sa mga buwan dahil ngayong hapon na to, kami Newsweek po ang magiging entertainment nyo. Kami ang mag-entertain sa inyo ngayong hapon na to. So, yung mga tao po dyan, stay focus lang po kayo. And I hope po, bawat isa po sa atin ay maging mag-bless sa bawat palabas na mapapanood nyo ngayon. And I hope po, bawat kanta o bawat awitin na maririnig nyo is maging inspiration po ito sa atin bawat isa. Spiritually. So, let's begin. Sabi na ano man ang mangyari sa the show must go on.
Kasi masakot lahat. Pag lumapit ako, focus lang sa gitna.
As a Christian, our love to God should manifest in our life. Though people keep on calling us names, we are humble but brave enough to say that we are following God not because we are religious, but because we just love the Lord. And to make our hearts dancing, here's a group singing entitled, I'm Not Religious.
Doon kayo, wag kayo dito. Ang gagawin na po.
Sunday, and they give me sky to me. But I don't know what you love with time. 7 days away, and you can give away everything you want and even give it to the poor. But listen, my friend, in the end, you gotta love the Lord. There's no doubt about it. I really want to shout it now and sing. I'm not religious anymore. There's no doubt about it. I really want to shout it now and sing it. I'm not religious and I just love the Lord. You can look me in my eyes and spiritual. There's something real pride, but the religious tells how much you're worth, and God sees who you hide. Acting like a Pharisee, pretending you're saints, only everybody will know. But God forgives your sins as faith. He just wants your soul. Don't go to church before you go to Jesus. Don't go to church before you go to Jesus. And there's no doubt about it. I
Koy, upo ka, Koy. Koy, upo ka, Koy.
Yan, so nakita ko yung iba, pagtigil kahit nakaupo, umiindak eh. Diba? So, yung iba po dyan, asawa na. So, magpigil po tayo bawat isa sa atin. Yan. So, through the years in the life of a Christian, trials and problems may come. But we all know that we can overcome them if we only trust God, because only He can make a way. Here's a solo performance coming from Brother Mark entitled, God Will Make a Way.
God make a way when there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide, hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for this new day, He will make a way. He will make a way. Oh, God will make a way when there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide, hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for this new day, He will make a way. He will make a way.
Sabi niyo tuloy-tuloy.
I don't always in the wilderness, He leads me. Rivers in the desert, will I see? Heaven and earth will fade, but His word will still remain. And He will do something new today. Oh, God, make a way when there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide, hold me closely to His side. In love and strength for His new day, He will make a way. He will make a way. In love and strength for His new day, He will make a way.